Okay, this is in Algebra 2, Chapter 4, Section 2. We're going to add and subtract matrices in this video. I've got a series of 5 videos. This one will be the first one. So let's get started here. We want to add 2 matrices together. And the very first thing you need to look at is to make sure they are the same dimension. If they're not the same dimension, you cannot add them. So we're going to look at, this one is going to be a 2 by 2, and this one is a 2 by 2. Remember, it's rows by columns. There are 2 rows and there are 2 columns. They are both the same dimension, so we can add them. And then when you add them, it's very easy. You add them element by element. So I'm going to look at my very first element. This is element 4, and this is an element -3. 4 plus -3 is 1. Then I'm going to look at my second element here. This is a -6, and this is a 7. -6 plus 7 is 1. I'm going to move on to my third element down here. So this is a 2, and this is a 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. And then my last one over here, this is a 3, and this is a -9. 3 plus -9 is a -6. And I can just add my bracket around the outside, and my resultant matrix, after I've added those two together, A plus B, is the matrix 1, 1, 7, -6. Let's look at another example. So again, we may make sure that they're the same exact dimensions. So this is a 2 by 2, and this is a 2 by 2, so this does work. And then we're going to just follow it through, adding every same element together. So this is element 1, 1, element 1, 1, 6 plus -3 is 3. Element row 1, column 2, row 1, column 2, so 4 plus 1 is 5. Then we've got row 2, column 1, row 2, column 1, so -1 plus 0 is a -1. And the last one is 0 plus 3, and 0 plus 3 is 3. Put your brackets around the outside, and the resultant matrix is there. So again, you're just adding it element by element. Pretty easy stuff. So one more example here. Very first thing you should look at is, are they the same dimensions? This is 2 rows by 3 columns. This is 2 rows by 2 columns. You cannot add these. There is no solution. You just don't add them at this time.